Hello everyone, welcome back to Emstine TV. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Morocco becoming Africa's new automotive manufacturing hub ahead of South Africa. He has taken this trophy from South Africa. Thanks to my returning subscribers, you all are amazing, and if you are new to the family, please do consider subscribing and joining the family, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. What have Morocco done different that he has taken away the manufacturing hub in Africa Automotive Manufacturing Factory from South Africa? We are going to see it in this video. Stay tuned till the end of this video so that we discover it together. Morocco is currently Africa's first passenger car manufacturer. Morocco has surpassed South Africa as the biggest exporter of passenger cars on the continent, with $7 billion export made in the car industry at the end of 2018. Morocco's automotive industry is growing exponentially each year, with car sales exceeding 160,000 units in 2021 and creating over 220,000 direct jobs. That is fantastic. According to several international experts, Morocco's auto industry is set to contribute to as much as 24% to the Moroccan GDP by 2022. That is 2022. It will contribute up to 24% to the Moroccan GDP globally. As of 2021, new passenger vehicles, that is the PCs, recorded an increase of plus 10.77%, with 115,611 units sold, transforming Morocco into a leading automotive manufacturing hub in Africa. Despite the consequences of the COVID-19 crisis, the industry has gradually recovered this year, selling around 400,000 cars to Europe, with France, Spain, Germany, and Italy among its top exporters. The Financial Times reported that Mark Nassif, managing director of Renault in Morocco, the biggest manufacturer in the country, stated that local suppliers provide the French auto company with automotive components for its vehicles, such as seats and axles and other essential parts. He estimated that local components constitute 60% of the final product and predict the number to rise to 65% in the near future. As for the country's infrastructure, the Moroccan government allocated $7.76 billion in 2015 toward developing infrastructure in Morocco's southern landscape, including roads, universities, airports, and hospitals, and more. That is a great job. The recent Tangier-Casablanca high-speed rail project, a $4 billion investment that has rendered Morocco's infrastructure more modern and efficient in recent years, is also a major development for the country's infrastructure industry. With the government incentives and foreign investment, rapid implementation in Morocco, financial experts anticipate the automotive sector to grow by $14 billion within the next 5 years. Morocco's automotive sector in export 2020 Dubai. Let's hear and listen to what Morocco have done in the Export 2020 in Dubai. The General Confederation of Moroccan Enterprises, that is the EG, the CG, and the Moroccan Agency for the Development of Investment and Export organized Morocco Week in Dubai as part of the Expo 2020 Dubai. Spanning from October 10 to 16, Moroccan public and private operators attended with the main aim to promote Morocco for foreign investors through highlighting the kingdom's potential as a global investment hub. Guys know Expo 2020 is the biggest event that has ever happened in the world, and this is a good place for Morocco to showcase its talent and investment opportunities. Mr. President indicated that Morocco's political stability and geographical location played a key role in attracting foreign investment, making the North African country the second most attractive investment destination behind Egypt and ahead of South Africa, Kenya, and Rwanda. With more than 60 free trade agreements signed with Europe, the US, Turkey, the United Arab Emirates, and elsewhere, Mr. President highlighted Morocco's competitiveness and massive effort in infrastructure and automotive to become an essential gateway to Africa. He underlined that all these achievements have made Morocco a prosperous and safe environment for business. During the event in Dubai this week, Morocco introduced foreign investors to the main features of the new development model, with the goal to shine a light on the greater perspective of the future. The kingdom will soon implement the framework of the new development model to expand its economic growth and investment opportunities in various sectors, especially in renewable energies. Mr. President insists that by choosing Morocco, an investor chooses growth, innovation, visibility, stability, adding that the investors also chooses to access a growing continent with a promising future. That is great and fantastic. During Morocco Week, organizers held a seminar to highlight Morocco's industrial sector. Both Moroccan and foreign participants stated that Morocco's industrial sector has achieved a remarkable success that exceeded all expectations, making Morocco a prominent destination for its national industrial fabric. So that is why Mr. President indicated and emphasized without highlighting the fact that Morocco's political stability and geographical location play a key role in attracting foreign investment, making the North African country the second most attractive investment destination behind Egypt and ahead of South Africa, Kenya, and Rwanda. He did a great job, and he assured all the investors that they are in safe hand and in safe destination, providing Morocco will give them what they are looking for so far as investment is concerned. Thanks to all for watching. Please, if you do like the video, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, share the video as well. Till next video, stay blessed. Love you all.